North Dakota, you can get Montana, Wyoming, Nebraska, all of them. And you'll hear guys on the radio talking shit. But, oh, the roads are fine out there, it's just a little windy, you'll be okay. Guess what? You'll get your ass out there on the fucking road, and actually, guess what? That motherfucker never left the fucking parking lot. So, just be careful out here in this fucking shit. If they tell you the fucking road's closed, abide by it. Don't be taking no fucking side roads. Because they're going to take care of the main interstate, or try to take care of the main interstate first before they do secondary roads. Y'all be safe. This is day 4 for me. Sitting here in this shit. Always going into a winter storm also too. Top off the fucking fuel tanks every time. Make sure you got anti-gel in them also. I see trucks moving around the parking lot here. And what they're doing is they're going to get fuel. And if you stop, make sure don't stop at a fucking rest area. Stop at places like that are a truck stop. I'm at the Flying J over in Box Elder. The Loves down the road, I don't like Loves because they're too damn small. The Loves down the road, the South Dakota Highway Patrol last night was telling people they gotta move. There's plenty of parking, and there still is plenty of parking down here in the fucking Flying J. So yeah, these winter conditions ain't no fucking joke. Just make sure you got water, food, all your necessities, your medication with you. If you got a pet, make sure you got something for little snacks for a little side chick over there or whatever. Yep. So much fun out here. Yeah, I saw 2 trucks go by in the background. Going east. East is closed at Box Elder. Alright, y'all be good. Be safe. Later.